Hello everyone, welcome my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about hydrological cycle. First of all, we see a picture. This picture is hydrological cycle. First of all, temperature, evaporation, streamfall, snow and precipitation. This cycle always maintain a chain rule. Now I talk about this is about the movement water on earth. Hydrological cycle is also called water cycle. It deals with the origin and distribution of water on the globe. Complex pathways include passage of water from gaseous stage in the atmosphere to oceans, lakes, rivers, etc. Now I talk about hydrological process. Hydrological cycle includes the flowing process. Number one, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, interception, infiltration, percolation, transportation, runoff, and storage. First of all, I explain evaporation. Evaporation occurs when water changes from liquid state to gaseous state. Evaporation occurs on water surface like lakes, seas, rivers, etc. Evaporated moisture is lifted into atmosphere, but some vapor always exists in the atmosphere. Then I explain condensation. Condensation is the process by which water vapor changes into water. Water vapor condenses to form dew, fog, clouds. Condensation takes place due to cooling of air. Now I explain precipitation. What is precipitation? Precipitation is the process that occurs when water particles fall from atmosphere and reach the ground. Precipitate water may fall into water bodies or on land. It can then go to streams or penetrate into the soil. Now I explain interception. Here the picture. Interception is the process of interpreting the movement of water in the chain of transportation events leading to streams. When rain first begins, water is drinking the leaves and other materials, spreads over the surface or collects at points of edges. Infiltration. What is infiltration? Infiltration is the physical process involving the movement of water through the boundary area where atmosphere interfaces with the soil. Infiltrated water and water stored in the soil can become subsurface runoff. Percolation. What is percolation? Percolation is the movement of water through the soil due to gravity and capillary force. All around water originates as subsurface water. Transpiration. Transpiration is the biological process that occurs mostly in the day. Water inside plants is transferred to the atmosphere as water vapor. Only a small portion of water is retained by the plants. Runoff. What is runoff? Runoff is a flow from drenched basin of the surface streams. It generally consists of the flow that is unaffected by artificial Diversions of storage. Storage. There are three basic water storage places: in atmosphere, on Earth's surface, and in the ground. Surface storage places are ocean, lake, reservoirs, glaciers. Underground storage squares in soil, in cracks of rocks, etc. Floods and droughts. Uneven distribution and the movement. Water can cause extreme phenomena such as floods and droughts. If you have any question of this chapter, please comment in this video. I will try to answer this question. Thank you for joining with us.